I proceeded by cutting out all the pieces, the dado for the forelegs, but I wanted to show you this here before I proceed. And that is, this is the cross piece that is going here, and this is 24 inches. And this here, I line up the top and the bottom for my top pieces, as you can see there, the top. So in order for this to fit in between here, I need to measure between here, which is what I did already. And the measurement that I got was 21 and a half. So now I'm going to cut this. So I'm measuring here, and I'm going to mark off 21 and a half, like that. Mark off 21 and a half with my pencil, like that, 21 and a half. And I'm going to square that off and cut off that piece so that it could fit between these two slots that I created here for the joint and in order for the other part. And then I'm going to assemble the leg, and then we're going to see how to do the top after. So I'm cutting off the piece here now, 21 and 9/16. Because I start by putting a little indentation of where I want to cut from, and I cut down to the line, and then I come across and cut across to this line after, because I don't want to cut off the line. Test it, see if it fits. That's what you want, right? Now, time to assemble. Put in my Philip head bit. Two and a half inch screws. They call this a dry fit. This is one leg finished. So the next step here is to assemble the legs to the base, to the top, and also In order for this not to rock side to side, this brace is going to go not at the bottom like this, like that, but it's going to go from at the bottom, yes, but from on the inside like this here, right there. And that will prevent the legs from wobbling and dancing side to side. And also, I'm going to lay out between here the distance of how I want my leg, where my leg's going to fall, and then I'm going to drill a hole through this and through this to bolt this top to this leg using these bolts here. So stay tuned for that.